Hi everyone, I'm Alexis and welcome to Real Life. Today I'm very excited to introduce to you all our very special guest. For this episode, he's no other than Joseph Castillo, now also known as Joe Green, and we'll find out why. Joseph,
hello.
Thanks for being with us here in Real Life.
Thank you for inviting me.
So good to see you again. The last time I saw you, actually I did an interview with you, was during the event at the Outpost for our special event for Undoy.
Undoy, yes.
Yeah, and it was so amazing. And I'm sure a lot of people who are watching us right now know that you are the man behind, you know, putting together all these relief goods and calling out to the people of Cebu to help the victims of Typhoon Undoy.
Yeah,
you know?
It was just basic initiative, but the biggest lesson for that I saw how Cebu responded. So it wasn't just me. Basically, it was the whole Cebu who stood up and extended a hand for the people of Manila and Luzon.
Yeah, and I think what you did was very significant because if, you know, I think most of the Cebuanos have a good heart.
Yes.
But we really need someone to take the initiative, you know, and bring everyone together, and that's what really inspired us to help, you know, and that was you, and we're very proud of that. So, if you could describe yourself in one word, Joe.
In one word, maybe the best that would give it all is love. So, in everything we do, without that ingredient of love, is futile. Even at any point in your life, as we go on and in relationship, in business, in work, and even whatever we do without love, it's nothing.
It's very true. Actually, that's very relevant to everyone, especially nowadays. I was going to ask you next what you've been busy with. Been traveling a lot nowadays?
I've been traveling quite a lot. I'm based in Davao right now.
Okay.
But I've been traveling from Manila to Pampanga and Cebu.
Wow.
So I've been busy with a new project that I'm doing right now.
Okay, tell us about this new project. This is Joe Green.
Green, yes.
Yeah.
Basically, Joe Green is a environmental project, a empowerment project, and a community building project all in one.
All right.
I discovered a process wherein we can recycle plastic bags.
Okay.
With a very simple household technology wherein any mother or any father in that sense or any out-of-school youth, male or female, can do.
Okay.
So simple that you only need a flat iron.
A flat iron?
Yeah.
Okay.
So with that flat iron mixed with plastic, we can make an ordinary thrown away plastic bag into a very heavy material that can be used for a lot more things.
So, unsa man ni siya, Joe, kanang plastic bag nga, let's say kanang sa grocery store?
Grocery.
Yeah, but of course you have to wash it and clean it and then dry it.
Dry it.
And unsa man, imo siyang i-press
Yeah,
together?
we press it. Actually, the process is called fusing.
Fusing.
Yeah,
okay.
but there's a special paper or a special paper that we put on top so that it won't burn.
Oh, of course, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, bitaw,
So,
no?
but the point is that I really took time to research on the simplest way to recycle plastic.
Okay.
Because I want it to be duplicatable. Anything that is expensive or complicated can never be duplicatable.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
So this one, any household can do it. So from that simple plastic bag thrown away, like many Filipinos nowadays, when you talk to them, like these people in Tondo that I reach out to in Manila, especially in Smoky Mountain, you ask them, Manang, ano pong gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay nyo? You know, this 60-year-old woman would directly tell you, Iho, mamamatay na lang ako ng ganito. Basically, people has just stopped dreaming in some areas of the Philippines because of poverty. So, with this process, the Joe Green Project, wherein I give them a good metaphor of what I'm doing, like, I ask them, what do you see in a plastic bag thrown away? Most of them answer, abandoned, left out, useless. So basically, some Filipinos feel the same. And most of them in those very impoverished and poor areas. So now I showed them na, look, can I teach you something? I asked them. So they say, yes, okay. So from that plastic bag that was useless, now becomes useful.
Amoni siya ang result.
Yeah.
This is it. This is
is
the
it.
recycled
Yeah, that's
plastic
it.
with a
That-
special kind of paper.
Paper. And becomes a bag.
Oh, wow.
And now the plastic that you threw away was useless can now be sold for $350 and buy you 10 kilos of rice.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah.
So these people now see that their trash is becoming like gold.
Mhm.
So who would throw garbage? No more, right?
Mhm.
So these people, instead of throwing their plastics, they keep it now.
Mhm.
Start doing some other things about it, you know, like wallets and other things that can be sold for them to earn a living.
Right.
And more than the earning a living and eating every day, these people saw hope. Now they're a part of a bigger initiative.
Mhm.
They're part of a bigger group that's trying to save the world.
Mhm. Yeah.
So instantly their morale is boosted to somewhere that they can say that, hey, I've done something better.
Right.
Despite they're poor, despite their age, despite their lack of education, despite every negative things that they have in them. So now, because of the Joe Green project, because of the positive green idea that we imparted with them, now they're productive, progressive, and positive.
Oh my goodness, this is just so amazing. Guys, do stick around because when we come back, we're going to get to know more about the Joe Green Project and Joe Green himself right here in Real Life.